for the evening, Mr. Upadhyay, and Mr. Ravi Shankar, Joint Secretary, IT, DIT, Ministry of Information Technology, Mr. Savitri Prasad, he will join us very shortly, Secretary IT, Government of Delhi, Dr. Gulshan Ryan, he will also join us very shortly, Director General, ICRT, Ministry of Information Technology, Government of India, and Sri Vipin Tyagi, Director CDOT, my friends from various print and electronics media houses, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of War India, I would like to welcome all of you to War India Star Night Award 2010. War India as a magazine, since its establishment in 1999, has grown from strength to strength. Today, War India has a circulation of 25,000 print copies. We have touched upon every aspect of the industry. Today, War India is the #1 IT publication in the IT channel space in India. We have been organizing IT events in India from last 9 years. War India website, the popular warindia.com, it is interactive, carries the latest news and views of the industry on daily basis with 4 times update per day. War India News Services, otherwise known as VNS, reaches to 60,000 subscribers every day. We update the industry by sending hot news through our SMS service and War webcast. Talking about today's event, we are together here to felicitate the industry performers for the performance. This is also the opportunity to sit down together and instill faith on each other and understand from the eminent speakers from various corporates on the methodology on how to develop the partner ecosystem for better productivity. This award night is held every year with a view to bring together the prominent technology vendors, partners, and executive members of the industry association under one roof. Hope everyone must be familiar with the voice of our comparer, Mrs. Mamta Chopra. She is from Doordarshan. So today we have a very good theme. This is business profitability through right partnership. I expect everyone present here have a very good networking each other. But before we go for the ceremonial things, I would request, because the guests are on the way, we will do the ceremonial light afterwards. Till then, I will continue with the other guest of honors. Mr. Vipin Tyagi, Director of CDOT, is with us. Sri Benhur Masfin, Director of Wireless Network Solutions, APEC Motorola Electronics Limited, Sri Ashwini Agrawal, ED Mate, Sri Bijoyanand Mishra, Senior General Manager, Consumer Mobility, BSNL, Sri Anshul Gupta, Group General Manager, Railtel Corporation of India, Sri Ashwini Jain, he will also join us shortly. He is Executive Director, Power Grid Corporation of India. Okay. So our guest, Mr. Savitri Prasad, he is already arrived. Mr. A.S. Verma, General Manager, PL&S, National Highway Authority of India. Sri Som Satsangi, Director, Enterprise Storage Servers and Networking, HP India Sales Private Limited. Sri Alok Bhardwaj, Senior Vice President, Canon India Private Limited. Sri Pritam Kalaskar and Chintamani Thorat, General Manager, Oracle India. Sri Neeraj Gill, Managing Director, India SARC Polycom. Tushar Shigat, Vice President, Cyberom. Subroto Biswas, Country Manager, Logitech. Sri Sanjay Sharma, Head, Huawei. Sudhir Putran, President, Intarvo Technologies. Sri Anil Sethi, Vice President, TCS. Rajan Verma, Director, Alvirian. Sri Kishan Girdhar, Director of Presto. Sri Indrajit Sabharwal, Chairman, Simtronics. Can we have a lamp lighting ceremony? I would request everyone to join us for the lamp lighting ceremony. May I request the guest and guest of honors to join us for the lamp lighting ceremony, please?
Deepak ji, we'll request you to please escort the guests so that they can come on the stage. You identify